Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today we're doing an impromptu fall tutorial. So originally my intent was to do a natural fall makeup look, and clearly, as you can see, that's what we've achieved here. Okay, not so much. I just wanted to do a fall tutorial video and I kind of just grabbed some palettes that I wanted to play with and kind of just came up with something. So this isn't like the greatest well thought out look, but it is a pretty cool smoky eye. It's very mauvey, very purpley, very Halloween-esque, and I'm ready for it. Even though I live in California now and it's not even remotely fall-like weather here, I'm okay with it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this very smoky, very Halloween-y fall look, then just keep on watching. Don't let this iced nitro brew coffee fool you. It is currently 12:30 in the afternoon and I'm just a procrastinator. As I probably stated in the intro, hopefully I do an intro where I don't look like this. I'm gonna be doing a fall tutorial today because I haven't done one yet. And honestly, I'm gonna have to look back while I'm editing this to see when my last actual makeup tutorial was because I can't remember. I'm basically going to be doing this tutorial and playing with makeup that's either brand new to me or makeup that I haven't played with in a really long time. So I have some makeup here that's not new to the market at all. I have some makeup that, you know, I'm trying to get through. I'm doing Project Pan and all that, and I just felt like putting some stuff on my face. I'm also going to be doing false lashes today, which the last time I wore false lashes was my wedding, and then before that I hadn't been wearing false lashes for months. So hopefully my eyes don't spaz out, but we're gonna go ahead and get into it. And I think I'm gonna start with the eyes today. My main inspiration for today's look is going to be this guy. So this is the Dose of Colors. This is the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves palette. I bought this like 4 months ago, and it's still in its box because I have a shopping addiction. Not really, I addressed that. I've gotten better. But here is the palette. Now, I actually have never played with any Dose of Colors shadows, but I did just order the Desi and Katie collab palette that just came out. So I want to play with these, see what these shadows are like and all of that. But I also just wanted to do a mauve or a mauve. I'm not really sure what the pronunciation is, but I want
Mauve.
But I wanted to do like a mauvey look or a mauve look. I thought of this palette and I was like, oh wait, I haven't even played with that yet. So we're gonna dive into this. I'm not really sure what kind of goal I'm going for. I kind of want to do like a really simple semi-natural smoky eye.
Why you always lying? Oh my god.
But I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little closer and we're just gonna start putting stuff on my eyelids and hope that my brain can connect these ideas. Maybe if I drink more of this. So I'm just gonna do the makeup on this eyeball just to, you know, keep it consistent, and then I'll do this eye off camera. Hopefully I can recreate it. We're just gonna play around with this. Hopefully we're close enough now that you guys can see me, hopefully. I don't really like using eyelid primers. I have one, I don't really use it that much. I usually prime my lids with concealer. So I'm gonna be going in with this Flawless Fusion Ultra Wear Concealer by Laura Geller. I'm then gonna take this e.l.f. foundation brush and I'm just gonna work this guy in. So now that I have primed my lid in my typical fashion, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get into this Marvelous Mauves palette, and I'm gonna go into this color down here. This one is called Fluffy. That's adorable. I'm going to fluff it all over my lid. And I'm just gonna set basically the whole lid because this is like a really brightening light pink color. Feeling very pink already. So I'm gonna build up the crease. I'm gonna take the shade right next to it. I'm gonna take that one. That one's called Rosy. I'm just gonna start working this into the crease. These shadows are very creamy. Kind of blend really effortlessly. Like that felt like no work at all to me. And then I'm thinking, I said I wanted to do like a natural smoky eye, but I've changed my mind, I think. I might want to just go in with Wishy Washy, which is right here, right in the middle. Let's put that all over the lid and see what happens. This one looks like it has like a little bit of a sheen to it, so it's not really doing what I thought it was gonna do. I'm gonna go in with this flat C-shaped brush and I'm gonna take the dark brown here at the end. The color is a wine satin. Really? Okay, it looks brown to me, but apparently it's wine. But we're gonna take it on this flat shader brush, and we're not doing natural anymore apparently. I'm gonna just pack this onto the lid. So this color is definitely more subtle than I thought it was gonna be. And because I put down that other shade, it looks like it's doing weird stuff as well. I don't know if all of these are satins. Again, not at all in the direction I wanted to go. So this is the eye look we have going on for right now. It's definitely darker and a different type of fall look than I was expecting to do, but we're just gonna go with it. I don't hate it right now. So I'm gonna do the other eye and my eyebrows, and I'll be right back so we can do the foundation. I think once I get my foundation, that's when I can really see if I like a look or not. So I have both eyes done and my eyebrows, and I look like a different person. We're gonna move on to primer now, and I think since the eyes are so dark, I want to kind of keep the skin very glowy if I can. So I'm gonna be going in with this as my primer. This is the Glamglow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer technically. So I'm just gonna put that all over my skin with this duo fiber. So now that this primer moisturizer has like set down, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, which is in this very adorable little container. This is actually my Project Pan foundation that I've almost completely used up. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. So I'm gonna pick it up on this foundation brush. And like I said, I do want to try and keep the skin a little lighter and like glowier. So I'm not gonna put too much because this foundation, while I do like it, it looks great on camera, it can be so heavy. So I did keep the focus really light right in here because I'm just gonna go in with that Laura Geller concealer again. And I'm just gonna brighten up my under eyes with it. I'm gonna go in with this BareMinerals powder again. This is another one of my Project Pan things, and I'm trying to use up this side. So I'm gonna take this Colourpop brush and I'm going to set my under eyes with this. So I honestly haven't been setting most of my face here lately. I've just been kind of letting my foundations dry and set. So I'm gonna let my foundation kind of sit here for a minute, and then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna contour. All right, so I feel like my face is set enough, so I'm gonna be going in with this Physicians Formula Bronzer Booster. I bought this in my 1 minute makeup challenge almost a year ago now, so I'm gonna be using this guy because I only used it that one time. So now that my cheeks are contoured, I am gonna go in with a bronzer. So I'm gonna be taking my bronzer brush, and I have the butter bronzer here, but I kind of wanna play with this a little bit warmer bronzer in this palette. Honestly, it could be more orange. It's not too bad on my skin tone, but not my favorite. I like to really work it into my baby hairs, because if you're not working it into your baby hairs, what are you doing with your life? So because my eyes came out so purpley, completely on accident, I'm gonna be using this highlight today. This is the J.Cat You Glow Girl Baked Highlight, and I really do like this highlight. It's been a while since I've used this as well. 15. I'm gonna be taking this Luxie 552 highlighting brush, and we are just going to really get in there. Wow. I don't think I went overboard at all. So now for blush, I have a few options for blushes because I honestly didn't know how my eye look was gonna go, so I grabbed all of these. So this is one of the NYX Ombre blushes. This is in the color Mauve Me, however you say it. Mauve. Then I have a butter blush, and I have this Pretty Vulgar blush. I'm leaning between these two, I think. I'm thinking I should go with the Mauve Me NYX blush because I think it'll just work with everything. Is there anything there? So we're gonna go back to working on the eyes now because I'm looking a little choppy. I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line, and I think I'm gonna take this pinky shade and this one and kind of like mix them. So I think I'm not really feeling the eyes so much because of how matte they are. So I'm gonna take this flat brush. I'm gonna go in with this Milani's palette, gold shade. Maybe the gold will work with the dark brown a little bit more. Let's see if we can like brighten it up, like right here in the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with my highlight my inner corner. Boom. And then we're basically almost done now. So I'm gonna throw on my mascara and my lashes, and I will be right back to figure out what lip color is gonna go with this. And then we're pretty much done. So I will be right back. Don't know how I feel with fake eyelashes on top of my real ones. So my lashes are on, and now we are down to the lip color, which is the last thing. And I brought these two lipsticks over here. The LimeCrime one has been like my go-to lately. I've been wearing it constantly, and I'm really leaning towards that one for this look just because this other one that I picked is a dark red. And I just feel like it's gonna be too much darkness. So I'm gonna go with this LimeCrime one. This is a LimeCrime plushie in the color Turkish Delight. Here is the completed fall tutorial. First one of hopefully many. This one did not go to plan at all. This is not a natural smoky eye, but it came out very Halloween inspired. I am ready for Halloween because I want free candy. Again, I haven't done a tutorial in a really long time, so bear with me while I get the rust off because I promise there will be more fall tutorials coming up because this is my favorite time of the year. And hopefully you guys stick around with me. If you liked this video, despite it not being that informational, give this video a thumbs up. And if you aren't yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button because I do upload multiple times a week and I don't want you guys to miss out on any of my content. And on that note, I will just see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!